Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Keanu.
And I'm Lovely. We are so happy you are here with us today. Are you ready to learn some new English?
Today, we are talking about you. Yes, you. We will learn how to describe your daily routine.
This is so useful. You can use these phrases to talk to new friends, to your teacher, or even to yourself in the mirror for practice.
That's a great idea, Lovely. Okay, everyone, if you like learning English with us, please remember to like and subscribe. It helps other beginners find our friendly podcast.
Now, let's get started.
First, let's listen to a short audio. It's a simple story about a woman named Maria. Listen for the words about her day.
Hello, my name is Maria. My day starts early. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I get dressed. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I go to work at 8 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. In the evening, I make dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Maria. That was perfect for beginners. Keanu, did you hear those important words?
I did. Let's talk about them. The first phrase is wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping. So you open your eyes in the morning. You wake up.
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you, Keanu?
I wake up at 6:30. Okay, next phrase, get dressed. This means to put on your clothes. After I wake up, I get dressed.
Me too. Then Maria said have breakfast. This means to eat breakfast. We can also say have lunch and have dinner. It's very common.
Excellent. Now let's listen to Maria's audio one more time. This time, try to say the phrases with her. Repeat after her if you can. Ready?
Hello, my name is Maria. My day starts early. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I get dressed. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I go to work at 8 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. In the evening, I make dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Good job, everyone. You are improving already. Now, let's add a few more useful phrases. Keanu, what do you do after work?
Good question. After work, I often meet friends. That means I see my friends and we talk. For example, I say, I meet friends for coffee.
I love that. Another good phrase is do chores. Chores are small jobs at home. For example, I do laundry. That means I wash my clothes. Or I clean the house.
Yes, chores are not so fun, but we all do them. Okay, let's imagine another person. His name is David. Let's listen to his routine.
Hi, I'm David. On weekdays, I start work at 9 a.m. I have a lunch break at 1 p.m. After work, I go to the gym. I exercise for 1 hour. Then I go home and make dinner. Sometimes I read a book before I go to sleep.
Oh, David goes to the gym. Go to the gym means to go to a place to exercise. That's a great habit.
And he said, have a lunch break. A break is a time to stop working and rest. So a lunch break is time to eat lunch.
He also said read a book. This is a very common hobby. I read a book every night. It helps me relax.
Wonderful. Now it's your turn to practice. We will say a phrase, and then there will be a quiet space for you to repeat it. Ready? Let's try.
I wake up.
I get dressed.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
I make dinner.
I go to bed.
Perfect! You sound great. Remember, you can practice these phrases anytime. When you are waking up, you can think, I wake up. When you are eating, you can think, I have breakfast.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. We learned many phrases today. We have wake up, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work, finish work, make dinner, go to the gym, have a break, go to bed.
That is a lot of new language. You should be very proud of yourself.
Absolutely. Now you can start to talk about your day. Your daily routine is special because it is yours.
Yes, try to write 3 sentences about your day. Use the phrases we learned. Say them out loud. You can do it.
Thank you for learning with us today. It is a pleasure to be your English friends.
Keep practicing, and remember, every word you learn is a big step. We believe in you.
We will see you next time on English Podcast for Beginners. Bye for now.
Goodbye.